Imagine a world where Earth isn't just a lone blue marble spinning through the cosmos, but one half of a true double-planet system. Could the moon actually be more than just a satellite? Today, I'm diving into the mysterious and kind of mind-bending idea of the double-planet theory. Trust me, you might never look at the Earth-Moon duo the same way again. So, what do I mean by a double planet? Traditionally, a planet has moons that orbit it, natural satellites usually much smaller than the planet itself. But sometimes that line between moon and planet gets a little blurry. Here's where the double planet theory comes in. It says, what if Earth and the moon actually form together or evolve together, to the point where they're more like co-planets, not a planet and its moon? Is this just a catchy name, or is there real science behind it? Let's look closer. First off, the moon isn't your average moon. It's huge compared to Earth. About a quarter of Earth's diameter, and a bit more than 1/80th of Earth's mass. That makes it by far the biggest moon relative to its planet in our solar system. Jupiter? It has over 90 moons, but none are as big compared to Jupiter as our moon is to Earth. Some astronomers argue that this size ratio alone is a pretty strong argument for calling Earth and the moon a double planet. But there's more. Let's talk about their origins. Most scientists think the moon formed about 4.5 billion years ago, after a gigantic impact between the early Earth and a Mars-sized object called Theia. The debris from that collision came together and made our moon. But here's the wild part. The moon is made of almost the same stuff as Earth, especially its outer layers. That's not just a fun fact, it supports the idea that Earth and the moon are like siblings, both born from the same planetary womb. So, they didn't just meet in orbit. They were born together. Now let's talk about how they dance together. There's something called a barycenter, the point where two objects orbit due to their shared gravity. Usually the barycenter is inside the planet. With Earth and the moon, it's about 4,600 kilometers from Earth's center, so not dead center but still inside Earth. But get this, as the moon slowly drifts away from Earth, that barycenter could eventually end up outside our planet. And some astronomers say that's one of the conditions for officially calling something a double planet. So, are we officially a double planet? Right now, NASA and the International Astronomical Union still call the moon a natural satellite. But a lot of scientists think it might be time to reconsider. Whatever you call it, there's no denying, the Earth-Moon relationship is one of the most unique and fascinating in the entire cosmos. So, what do you think? Is the moon just a loyal satellite, or is it Earth's cosmic twin? Drop your thoughts in the comments, like, share, and subscribe if you want more space mysteries landing in your feed every week. Stay curious and keep looking up.